first thing that I'd like to start with is the critical importance of Punjab. I think the Greater Punjab has been literally the front bastion for the Indian subcontinent, for all invaders who came through the Middle East. And over centuries, starting off from Alexander the Great, which all of us know about, right up to Genghis Khan's era, then the battles of the Muhammad of Ghazni, the Muhammad of Ghori, coming in, moving down towards the area which is now a portion of Rajasthan, Gujarat, those areas. So I think basically a martial culture existed in this area. The capacity, when we talk about the Sikhs being the most enterprising, I think it comes from this generational change that has happened, that every time you went down, you again rose up. Literally, the rise of the phoenix from the ashes. Yeah, that's what the story is. So this great sense of resilience, I think the capacity to be able to absorb, have this innate sense of understanding what the challenges are and how to overcome them. And I can say it with great, not because I'm a Punjabi itself, but more importantly, what I saw during the Blue Star and the post-Blue Star era, I operated in Taran and the area of Patti and this real hotbed, Amritsar southwards. And what I found was the resilience of the people, and the movement got stopped. It's one of the greatest in the history where a separatist movement was quelled. And other than Malaya, the only other example really of great significance is that of Punjab. And that was because of the people. Yes, it has had challenges. One about the invaders, subsequently the partition about nearly 8 decades back that happened, where they were again on the forefront of getting the biggest brunt of the change. Subsequently, we found the wars happened, they were again in the forefront. And then this hassle with Pakistan, I think we internally, due to our political compulsions, created a situation which got exploited by people who were in India. And we had that problem. And today, the greatest challenge of Punjab is that there is a large diaspora which has moved out. There is a great attraction. The agricultural land which was there is getting impacted by, I would say, excessive use of fertilizers, the problems that are coming up of the land getting fallow. The holdings have gone down, and we've now got the drug menace. And of course, the biggest challenge that it still remains the frontline state for India in its battle and its challenges from Pakistan.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.